We are now going to place the horn on the unicorn. So we want to find the part that is between the ears and the eyes and in the middle. So somewhere around here is the best spot. So I place my horn over here at the cross section, and you just have to double check that it's not it's not in the middle of the eyes, but just behind the eyes. So once you have confirmed the spots, pin it. And then sew it on. So this is similar to how you stitch your body to the head. And yes, so that's how you attach the horn to the head and within the ends. And cut away the excess yarn.